Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share something with you this morning in regards to air conditioning. So this particular vehicle, the Mazda CX-9, has front and rear air conditioning. It's in the middle of summer, stinking hot most of all over the country basically, and customers are going to come in with air conditioning related problems. This particular case, it's the rear fans are staying on intermittently, so they switch the car off. Kids are being kept cool in the back, but suddenly the rear fans are staying on and are therefore going to flatten the battery. We've had this issue a couple of times, and there is a case study in the system in regards to this. So it's the 70 amp relays. Those fans chunk up a whole lot of current, and as they age, they start to wear, drawing more current. So as that relay clicks in and out, it arcs, and it ends up burning the contacts in the relay until the point where they'll arc together and won't release and open again. And that will then keep the fan running either front and back. If you're going to do them, do both the front and the rear fan relays, because if one's gone, the other's probably not too far behind. But it is a great case study that's in the workshop. Again, put up one of our fantastic members, an auto electrical member up on the North Coast. So again, thank you. Again, if you are a member, consult this information. Again, hit the website up. Get Tech Tina to do your searching for you. Tell her you've got a Mazda CX-9 with rear fans staying on. She'll then go and search our entire database as well as the World Wide Web and come back to you with a full diagnostic procedure, what to check, what the high probability is, and she'll be able to nail this one for you straight away. If you're not a member and you want access to our Tech Tina and all our data which we've been collecting for 20 years, just go to tap.net.au and we have a free 7-day trial. You can trial the product for 7 days free of charge. So give it a go. Hopefully it'll help you out. We'll see you next time.